Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Moong Dal Kheer. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's see how to do it. Take 1 cup of Moong Dal and add 2 cups of water. Keep whistle for 10 minutes in medium flame. I have cooked the Moong Dal already. To this I have added 1 cup of jaggery. Mix the jaggery and Moong Dal together. When the jaggery has melted completely, let's add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and 1 tablespoon of ghee. This ghee helps in removal of raw smell of moong dal. Now let's fry some cashews for tempering moong dal kheer. Add the fried cashews to the moong dal and mix it well. Our moong dal kheer is almost ready. To this we are going to add coconut milk 1 cup. For 1 cup of moong dal, we need to add 1 cup of coconut milk. You can also add cow's milk, but if you add coconut milk, it will give you additional taste. Keep stirring continuously while adding coconut milk. Now our tasty yummy moong dal kheer is ready. Serve this hot and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.